Hey everybody, Benji here with a quick tip about an ES6 feature that might make your life just a little bit easier. Now, how many times have you written a function like this? Well, probably not exactly like this. This is kind of a silly function. We're taking in an array of different types of chickens and giving back counts of the different types and some other statistics. But at the end of your function, you return an object and you say, hen count is hen count, rooster count is rooster count, egg count is egg count. Feels a little redundant, doesn't it? Well, guess what? In ES6, you don't have to do this anymore. With object short notation, you can simply say hen count, rooster count, egg count, chicken count, hen %. It'll automatically create properties for you named after your variables with their values. And I'm just going to go ahead and save this and run it to show you that it works. I also find this really handy whenever I'm doing debugging and just logging variables in the console, because you can say console.log and then just create an object literal, and then whenever you log it out, all of your values have labels for you, rather than saying, for instance, like console.log hen count, and so on and so forth, which of course this will do the same thing. Give me hen count :3. So that's just a little shortcut. Other cool things, you can mix and match. You don't have to use short notation for everything. So like if I didn't want to, for instance, create the chicken count variable here, I could say chicken count is hen count plus rooster count. And again, if we log it out, chicken count is not defined. Oh, that's right. I'm using chicken count inside hen %. So let's back up. Say you didn't want to actually create this hen % variable at all. You just wanted to return it and keep things a little terser. You can do that too. Oh. And bam, hen % still working. That's it for this tip. I hope it makes your days with JavaScript a little bit easier. If you're wondering what I've been doing these past several months, because I haven't done a video in a while, well, I'm sorry. I've been working on other projects. I've actually released 2 video games written in JavaScript, and those are open source. One's called BitBout, which I will pull up for you. It is a 4-player local multiplayer deathmatch game. It's written in Phaser. Just try to knock your buddies off or attack them and make their little scarf shorter. So yeah, that's written in Phaser and renders to canvas. And then the other game I made is also multiplayer, but this one is an online multiplayer game, which is a 100-player version of Pong. And since nobody's on the server right now, I'll just be me playing. You can imagine things get pretty crazy when you get a lot of players. And this one is just written in vanilla JavaScript and renders to the DOM. So if you want to check those out, the links to the GitHub pages are in the video description. And hopefully I'll do more JavaScript videos for you soon. If you enjoy this one, please leave some comments, feedback, like, and until next time, take it easy. See ya.